In here, we are required to find this answer. This is the colored square. Okay, it's colored orange. Without wasting much time, we can see here we have 12 and we have 27, 12, 3, which give us a total of 42. Right? We all know that this is a square. Hence, whatever deviation that you have there, okay, is the same deviation there, is the same deviation there, right? Cool. That being said, we have 42 here, which means if we can project this, we can see we have 12 there. If we can project that there, we're gonna have 42 minus 12, which will give us 30 here. All right, then this will be cut there as the angle there. Sorry about that. The angle there. All right, so you're gonna have that angle there. We're gonna have 30. As we can see, we're going to have 12 there. Okay, so considering our new triangle there, so we have 30 there, we have 12 there. Now we need to find this angle. We all know that to find that angle, we're gonna have to say tangent, okay, of, let's do this, reverse tangent of 12 over 30. There we go. So now that will be our angle there, right? So if we find the angle there, okay, our side, this is the side, that is the side, that is the side, we can name it S. Our side will be given by will be given by 42, okay, this 42 there, over cos of tang reverse of 12 over 30. Okay, so once we have that, the area will be given by everything here squared. So I'm going to break it down for you. So we have tangent of, reverse tangent of 12 over 30, which will give you something like 21.8 something degree. Okay, so whatever you have there, you're gonna then say 42 divided by cos of 21.8 or so. You have your calculator with you, I presume. So now the whole thing here squared is your area, right? So you're gonna have your side will be equal 45, okay, 235. So this is your side, okay. Now this squared gives you the area. Having your calculator with you, I'm presuming, so we're gonna have then 2046.4. So there is your answer. Again, 2046.4. Whatever unit it is, squared. So this can be centimeters squared, it can be millimeters squared or meter squared. All right. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're going to enjoy it. For now, I'm going to ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye.